Hello and very good morning. Mum and me are off this morning, an early start as you can see, to go to the vegetable market, and obviously it has to be done in the morning. We are off there to see all the seasonal winter veg because it is quite a great time for vegetables in India. So we're gonna go check out what's available. Such quiet roads should only happen in the morning and night. This is such a good time to travel. So we are going into the old market. That is where the vegetable market happens every morning. Look at the cauliflower. Carrots, aubergine, lots of peas, cauliflower. We've just got some mooli for some salad. It's really good for parathas too. Oh, I want everything. That is the fenugreek I keep talking about all the time. Fresh fenugreek leaves, coriander, spinach. Here are the Indian onions that taste so different to English onions. Gorgeous. Look at the aubergine. We bought methi, mooli, pyaz, dhania. That's it. We've got our bags full. We just found this dal pakwan spot. So we're gonna get off. Mum's never had it, but it's a new stall. So we're gonna get some packed for our breakfast. It is Jai Jhulelal Sindhi dal pakwan breakfast. Let's go check it out. So she's making कोकी थोड़ी पतली नहीं होती?
नहीं कोकी मोटी होती
मोटी होती है. अच्छा अच्छा.
है हमेशा मोटी और
Look, very busy stall.
और गाजर का हलवा भी है
Okay.
और शाही टुकड़ा भी है
This is the dal pakwan. I actually shared the recipe for this when I was in Jabalpur last. It was one of Mum's friends makes a really good one. Spices and some dried cooked lentils, and then the chutneys, fresh coriander, tamarind, and sage. And then onions. Are also selling shahi tukra, which is fried bread with cream, and then it's finished with some dried fruits. Ah, lovely. We've also got gajar ka halwa, finishing it with coconut and custard. Now he's making some sevaiya aloo, which I haven't heard the combination of before. So this is going to be extremely interesting. तो ये मीठा और नमकीन एक साथ. Thank you. Thank you. That whole combination of sweet and savory is actually very interesting and very delicious. So I am all ready for the day. Just breaking up some coriander leaves because we got some fresh coriander from the vegetable market, and my mom dries it up and uses it, and it's extremely cheap right now because it's the season. So I'm all ready because now I'm gonna film a recipe with my mom in her kitchen. I won't tell you what, but I will shoot the video now. I've got some plans for this evening too, where to eat, what to eat. We have got one bunch of fresh fenugreek leaves. You buy them in bunches, actually the same size, similar size bunches you can buy in UK as well. And she's just finely chopping the leaves. We don't really use the stems, they're quite hard and bitter, so we just break the leaves and use just the leaves. So the shoot went really well. I cannot wait to share what Mum cooked for us today. and we had a very lovely, delicious Punjabi lunch. But now, as you can tell, it's dark outside. So we are off to get some more food. It's another famous Jabalpur dish, which is mangoda. I will show you what it is so you'll understand it better. So let's get some snacks. So we're off into the proper market, actually very close to the veg market we went this morning. So it's like the old market where you get wholesale stuff or shopping for clothes, not like big malls but local shops, not any brands, very local shopping. We've got the same auto guy taking us everywhere. Here we are. It's called Mangode Wala. It's a very, very famous shop in the heart of the city. I am extremely excited because we used to have this quite often growing up, and I haven't come here for years. So, yeah, this should be very interesting and delicious. So the Mangode are not ready. Samosa are being done. And then he's got aloo banda and he's got sabudana vada. You can see that he's a very famous guy, and the dad is no more, but the son's taken over. So he was famous because he would put his hand into boiling oil to fry the mangoda. And now apparently the son does it too. There is photo there behind the guy. So he apparently does that as well now. That is the mangoda mixture. It's like lentils mixed with spices and herbs. He's also got vadas, kachori and everything. And the crowd is growing because they're all waiting for piping hot samosas and mangodas. And here it is. After a long wait, we finally get our mangodas. It's amazing. I'm also gonna have some sabudana vada. Okay, so these have just come out, and that's what I'm gonna get to eat. Sabudana vada. So this is my sabudana vada. Kaisa? Sure. Ooh, piping hot. Look at that. That can be mondo. And I'm going to finish the day with another part. One for mom and one for me. So I'm just looking for some snack, and so much food that has arrived from neighbors and my mom's friends. So I'm going to go for this special chikki, which is a special winter thing. It's made with jaggery, and you can get all sorts of toppings, peanuts and sesame seeds and all sorts. So I'm going to have this. And with this, I'm going to stop eating for today. I've had a great day. I've tried so many things. I got to film something with my mom, and I'm gonna wrap it up, and hopefully I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye till then.